Hello, I hope you guys are well. Today's video I want to devote to some unboxings here. I've purchased several bags now on the sale. It was quite spontaneous purchases and I still have tags on all the bags. There will be 5 bags and I want to have your opinion to keep a return, but it's really a good deal and I think that probably most of them will stay with me. They are still packed like they were packed in the store. Most of the bags are from the brand Little Liffner. I love this brand. I actually was hunting for the bags and watching these bags for a few months and even years. I've checked if they come on sale, how much amount they cost after sale. I've tried them a few times. I have quite a lot of bags in my closet. Probably need to refresh my collection of the bag videos soon. We will start. The first bag that I've got is this beautiful model. I think that you probably know it. It's called Sprout Tote Mini in the color cream. And I've already had bags from Little Liffner. I know the perfect quality. Just I had a big tote and I sold it because it was too long handles. I only could have it on the shoulder. I couldn't have it in the hands because I'm so short. I'm petite, 158 centimeters. So for me that bag was inconvenient to kind of have. I loved it a lot and the quality and the capacity was great. I will put a picture of that bag that I had before. It was a tulip tote, but I sold it because I couldn't kind of have it only on my shoulder. It was too bulky for me. I prefer top handles like this, or I prefer the long strap, but this model in this color, particular color, this dark brown, it was only with this long handles. Look at the form. It's a square button and I have still some papers in it, and I still have some tags from our shop where I bought it. Here this is small detailing here which can just hang, I guess. Then we have quite a lot of space inside, roomy, and then there is now I see it with you first time. I didn't pay so much attention in this shop. There is also a wallet here which I can unbutton. So this small wallet, quite nice to have. So here you can save something special and then you can have it separately from a bag or you can have it with a bag. Also there is a long strap which you can take away if you don't want to have it, or you can keep it together. I still have a price tag. As you see, it's 40% discount. It was like 300 euros, and I love how it looks, like a handle bag like this. Probably I will stand to show you. I love how it looks this way. This is how I most usually have bags when I carry them. Also, it is possibility to have a bag on the shoulder or like a crossbody. I can also have it. So with my height, it's a perfect. It's not too high on my bust. It's not too low on my hips. It just fits perfectly. I have an easy access for everything that I need in this bag. I like this cute detail and this raffia detail, so it's very summerish vibe. I like this raffia detailing when you dress too dressy. For example, I need to have a suit at work, so I very often choose the raffia bags to make my outfit look more like casual, not very strict. I definitely will make also, or maybe already made a video about styling tips. This is one of the tips, is to use some different textures, different vibes. Also, I wanted to point that this bag in the form reminds me the Hermes Picotin bag, but not so pricey. So if you don't want to spend thousands of euros for Hermes Picotin, you can think about this bag. These bags, they exist in the bigger size, but I tried it also in the store, but I think that this small mini size, it fits more to my frame, and I have enough space for my everyday things that I carry with me. So this was the first bag. Little Liffner bags come with these beautiful dust bags. And the next one is the smaller goodie. It's this small bag. It's a hobo bag, also in the dust bag. It's in a suede, in the brown suede. Look at this small pretty cutie. And there is not a name on this bag. I think it's called a moon bag. I will write in the description the name of this bag. Look at this inside. It's a cotton inside and some suede. There were two of these bags. One of them was a flower exemplar, so I asked for a new one, so it's completely new from everywhere. I was lucky that they had these two bags. Now I don't know if they're still available. I will put all the links where I can find these bags on discount and maybe without discount if they are not available. So here is this pretty detailing, this small silver moon, and I like that the accessories are silver. I have quite a lot of bags with golden accessories, so silver is needed in my closet. And you see that it goes, it's a little bit funny that it's kind of stuck here. You can't really adjust the length, but I think I don't need it. So here is it. Wait a minute, I will actually take so this handbag cost was from the beginning 5,000 kroner, so it's approximately 480 euros, and with 40% discount it approximately was 250 euros. So this is this bag. I love the quality. I love that it's suede. It's very nice in summer. It will be nice also in winter with some sweaters, with some brown black clothes, with neutrals, with maybe gray clothes, and I think that it's a really good piece to find it on the sale because it's so minimalistic, so classical, so nice looking, and there is some space inside. It's not very small. It can fit. Here is my iPhone Pro Maxi, and you see that there is a lot of space, so no problem to fit the iPhone. If you will order it online, my iPhone is the biggest, so will be no problem for you. Also, I like these small bags to take with me on vacations, and even in summer it goes good with neutral outfits, like for example now I have on me this neutral beige creamy butter color. So this brown bag is just cute. And the next one, I have the bag also, which is the same model, almost the same. It's a bit bigger. Now we will see what they say. This handbag cost 4,920 euros minus 40% discount. Here are the price. I hope you can see it. And it's called Moon Midi bag. So this is probably was a Moon mini bag, and this is Moon midi bag. They are color cream. It's the same color like this spruce tote, but without canvas, and that's good. They're different but same. I love this neutral color, goes to everything, very minimalistic, very nice. But this bag in a bigger size, it has a long strap which you can have a crossbody, or you can have like a shoulder bag. Also you can adjust here if you 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 5 holes that you can make it shorter like this or longer. And this small moon detail, it's a golden hardware here with this beautiful detail. It's pretty amazing that they made the 2 bags with different golden and silver accessories. I think it just suits very good to the light color with gold and the brown color with this silver. So here you can open the bag and close it with this long strap. We'll see inside. So inside there is a pocket, like for 2 cards, and yeah, this is much bigger bag. We will see. You can see the telephone just was lost somewhere. It can even stay like this. So I think that it's really good price for the bag of this quality. Little Liffner have amazing quality. They are very rarely come on sale in these classical models of them. Usually the Little Liffner bags come on sale with some strange colors, like maybe green or red or something, like not very basic colors, but this off-white bag came on sale 40%. I think it's just a win of the win. How it looks on my shoulder. The length could be also shorter if I want to have it. I even can have it crossbody like this, as you see. It's not possible to have it only in hands, but I can have it like a clutch. Like, let me show you this way without this red laps here. So this way. So minimalistic, suits to everything, as I said. Just love all these styles. And so this is brand called Tero. I don't know if you can see the brand name, never heard about it. We will have a look. So this is a big tote. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I need to open it, to unsqueeze it, how to say. Look at that. I don't know what does it reminds me, but this bag is just amazing. It reminds me some style which I saw in Instagram or somewhere, some influencers, but I don't remember what was it, the bags. When I saw it, I thought, oh my god, and it comes on 50% discount. It's just amazing. So the brand called Tero, and it costed 4,100 from the beginning. With 50% discount, this tote cost 2,000. It's approximately like 190 euros. It's not so much for this beautiful tote. It's also minimalistic, it's cute, it's nice. I can have it also like a long straps on my shoulder, like this. Also I can have it, and this is the most cool thing, I can have it as a short handles like that. And I love this size. I think it's not too big for my frame, and it's not too small. And this black detailing, black handles and black with canvas looks just amazing in summer. Look at the bottom, is very wide, and here there are long straps which you can hide also, or you can open it. And you also have some 2 details which you can kind of tighten it if you want to have your bag a little bit more closed. I'll see it. So you can tighten it, and then nobody can steal so much from you. Joking. For me, this bag also will go good, same to work, when I want to have some more things with me, maybe an extra cardigan, or like maybe I need some blazer, or maybe umbrella, or maybe I want to put a lunchbox. It goes good. Also can have it to vacations, because it's very easy and light. You can have it in the airport and then on the plane under the seats, because it's soft. And still you can also, if you don't need it, you can pack it so in this way in the luggage. I'm really happy with my finds for now, and I will show you the last bag. It's the most fun bag from all of them. You probably will be shocked. I don't know, those people who know me for a long time, they know my style can be sometimes quite bright. And ta-da! This bag, it's just very fun. It's just some these sparkles. I don't know if it's an evening bag, but I will explain to you why I chose this. The brand called was Store with W. Never heard about it, and the price is not so expensive, 899 kroner. It's approximately like 80 euros. So I got it with also 40 or 50% discount, so it's approximately like 45 euros. This bag is called Disco bag, and why did I buy it. First of all, it's not heavy. Second, it's no strass, so you can see that it's made like from small stones, like glitter stones, covered with some metallic cover. It's like this disco ball, you know, with this mirror. And then there are nice detailing here. It can be flat, so I can also put it inside of the travel bag. It is also soft, so I can put a lot of stuff here. As you see, it's very flexible, and it has the perfect length of the straps. I can have it also in the hand like this, and I think it looks like a party, but not too much. I could even imagine to have it during a day. It's just a fun bag, maybe for some lunch or dinner. And also I like that I can have it on my shoulder. It looks very fun, it looks very nice, and it looks not the same like these bags which are too much like evening vibe, which you can take only to the wedding, for example, or to some party going out thing. This one you can have also just to vacation or just to the city, because it looks more like on a simple way. I can't say it's casual, but it looks more like not so extremely fancy, without some silver or gold chains or some. This was my 5 hits from the recent sales, and I'm curious, what did you find interesting? Maybe you also found something from these brands or something else. Write me in the comments. Always like to read your comments. You also inspire me also to have a look and to have some ideas to look for something else, or maybe to have a new ideas for my videos also. Write me if I should keep or return these bags, which one was your favorite. Support my channel with your like. I see you in my next one. Bye bye.